Hello everyone, my name is David Richard from Weekly Tools. Welcome back to our channel, folks. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common issue that many car enthusiasts and deers face when your OBD2 scanner has power but won't connect. It can be frustrating, but fear not, because we've got you covered. Let's jump right into it. Checking basic connections. First things first, let's start by checking the basic connections. Make sure that your OBD2 scanner is properly connected to the OBD2 port in your vehicle. It's usually located beneath the dashboard on the driver's side. Ensure that the scanner is securely plugged in and that there are no loose connections. Power supply issues. If the basic connections are fine, the next thing to check is the power supply. Although your scanner has power, it's possible that the voltage is insufficient. Grab a multimeter and measure the voltage at the OBD2 port. It should be around 12 volts. If it's significantly lower or fluctuating, there might be an issue with the power source or a blown fuse. Check the fuse box and replace any blown fuses related to the OBD2 system. Software compatibility. Now, let's talk about software compatibility. It's crucial to ensure that your OBD2 scanner is compatible with your vehicle's make, model, and year. Some scanners have limited compatibility, so double-check the user manual or the manufacturer's website to verify compatibility. If your scanner isn't compatible, you may need to consider using a different one or updating the firmware. Resetting the OBD2 system. Sometimes, a simple reset of the OBD2 system can solve connectivity issues. Disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery for a few minutes and then reconnect it. This process will reset the vehicle's onboard computer systems and may clear any temporary communication errors. Afterward, try connecting your scanner again. Troubleshooting the OBD2 scanner. If none of the previous steps have resolved the issue, it's time to troubleshoot the OBD2 scanner itself. Check the scanner's user manual for specific troubleshooting instructions. In some cases, a firmware update might be necessary to ensure optimal performance and compatibility. Upgrading to a professional-grade scanner. If you're a serious car enthusiast or a professional mechanic, and you frequently encounter connectivity issues with your current OBD2 scanner, it might be time to consider upgrading to a professional-grade scanner. These scanners often provide more advanced features, better compatibility, and improved communication capabilities. However, keep in mind that professional-grade scanners can be more expensive, so assess your needs and budget before making a decision. Seeking professional help. Finally, if all else fails, it's best to consult a professional mechanic or an automotive technician. They have the expertise and specialized diagnostic tools to pinpoint the exact cause of the connectivity problem. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if you're unsure or unable to resolve the issue on your own. We've covered a range of troubleshooting steps to help you overcome connectivity issues when your OBD2 scanner has power but won't connect. From upgrading to professional-grade scanners to checking for physical damage and exploring alternative diagnostic methods, there are several avenues to explore. Remember, patience and persistence are key when dealing with complex automotive systems, and if all else fails, don't hesitate to seek professional assistance. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope it was informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.